mga school supply ng mga pamangkin ko. Saan may mga vlog na ganyan? Nasabihin mo? Yan. Sa hospital. Magkano? May ballpen ka na tsaka ano ha? Bumili na ako ng ballpen. Pag nagpo-post kayo, may 1/4. Kailangan ba ng 1/4 para hindi mo nakatigil? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Do it like this and I do it like that.
Yeah, lengthwise. 1/4. Yan. Gusto mo yan? May line sa gitna. Asa tayo rin? Notebook, ayan. Oh, sub-sub ka pa, B.
Find the signages inside the store, scan the code. No purchase required. Get more raffles, be asked.
Blackpink ko sa...
No more runs. Share your confidence on social media. It's @national on Instagram and TikTok.
Excuse me. One, tingin dito. 1, 2. Pakita mo yun. Okay. Yung iba-iba yung laman. Magkano yan? Kapal? Wala na. Yan na lang. Yan lang, wala ka nang kailangan. May ballpen. Hi guys. Hi everyone. So today, bibili po kami ng school supply ng mga batang ere dahil malapit na ang kanilang pasukan. Pili mo siya, Le. Like that?
Patunayan mo mahirap.
Yan, te. Ang ganda niyan. Smile! What's that? Is this SpongeBob? No, it's Patrick! It's Patrick. This is Mr. Krab.
Mr. Crab? No. Where's Patrick?
This one. The star. Look, oh, so big! Wow, hug her.
Mr. Krabby?
Ano nangyari sa yung kamay niya na body?
She's the crab.
She's the crab. Hug mo nga, hug mo nga.
Okay.
Yay!
Where's my pillow?
Hanap tayo ng ano mo dress. Let's find dress and ano. Hi, Kuya!
Kuya, look!
Look, Kuya, have a
Kuya, you got SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Also, SpongeBob bag. Look, bag ni Kuya. Look sa bag.
Got the nose! You got a nose, guys. You got a long nose.
Ikaw.
SpongeBob got a long nose. Look, you got a long nose.
Yeah. How about this one? The Captain America.
No. Look, I got this water bottle.
What's that?
It's
Ganda na. Magkano yan? How much?
199.
Ay, 400. Look, oh! Spider-Man hat. Do you have lunch box? Nah.
This one. Going to my bag.
Oh. I like this one. It's so tiny. You need bigger.
I can't use bigger.
Why?
You can't
You eat.
find.
Look, oh. What is this?
It's a wallet.
Can you open it?
It's a wallet.
You need wallet ba? Do you have money? Do you have money?
No.
Ay, sabi mo papautangin mo si tita. Oy, give me that. Hindi pa yan bayad. Hoy.
This one was that.
Hindi pa yan bayad. Wala pa tayo sa counter. I'm gonna put it back. Put it back. Ito na po yung napiling bag. Ito na ang napiling bag.
You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. You can change your mind, it's just the way it goes. You can
So next is kay Jess naman, boy. Happy din na tayo ng kay Joey.
Pinapromote ako naman. Dito mo. Malaki po.
Backstreet Mom. Black te black. Yan. Oo. Patingin. Tingnan tayo. Para mas maganda to. Guys, pili kayo kung ano maganda.
na 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 na. Yung mga bago namin ngayon ko yung
Thank you. May stock daw po kayo na to. Bakit? Nakapili ka na ng bag mo?
What?
Nag-choose ka na ng bag mo? What bag do you want? Ano yung ginagawa po niya? Tapos kami po ay nagpimili ng bag niya. Tapos na kami makapili ng bag ni Jillian and ni Kuya Jazz. So, ang gagawin na lang namin is yung mga gamit nila sa school. Ini-snub niya ba? Okay, bag, yung zipper, yung mga bulsa.
Automatic po siya sa counter.
Okay.
Ito yung pinaka-push button niya, ma'am. Then sa may gulong niya, ma'am, double wheel na rin po yun. Then pwede advisable din siya i-backpack, ma'am, kung sakaling i-backpack, ma'am. Then pag papagulong naman, ma'am, pwede natin ilagay siya dito. Para po di sumayad yung pinaka-ano sa gulong. Para po mas ayos yung pinaka.
Yay! Finally, may bag na. Oh, yan. O, diba? Dun. May cashier. Ay, nako. Yan. Ay, nakakita naman. Four, six. Thank you. Diba? Kamusta naman? Okay lang. Kamusta naman? Approve. Approve. Ayun.
Woke up to the glow of the morning light. I like it like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. I like you like tic-tac-toe.